by Jelena Chum. Target for today. The target for today is to know about rounding numbers by hundred and how to use it at the end of the slide. Let's get started. What are rounding numbers? A rounding number is a number that is estimated. You can round by tens, hundreds, and any other digit. You can use number lines and mental math. Numbers that you can round by hundreds. To round by hundreds, you need to look at the number. It could be a 2-digit number, a 3-digit number, and any other number with any amount of digits. Benchmark numbers. What are benchmark numbers? Benchmark numbers are numbers that end with a zero. But if you're rounding by hundreds, then you need to have two zeros at the end. The number is in between the benchmark number. So if they ask what is the benchmark number for 463? The benchmark number for 463 is 400 and 500. This helps with rounding by knowing what number that number could possibly round to. Rounding by hundred. As we saw in the other slide, we can round it by using a number line. Let's say the number is 236. What are the 200s that is in between? The 200s that are in between are 200 and 300. Let's check the number line. Is the number 236 closer to 200 or 300? It is closer to 200. So 236 rounded by 100 is 200. Rounding by hundreds in another method. We can round it by using mental math. But how do you do it? First, you look at the number. Say that the number is 654. If the tens digit is from 1 to 49, then it is the smaller benchmark number. But if the tens digit is 50 and up, then it is the greater benchmark number. Rounding by hundreds with a 2-digit number. What if you round to 100 with a 2-digit number? You can only round if the 10 digit is 5 to 9. Example for 50. What? Okay. So, what is the benchmark number for 50? The benchmark number for 50 is 0 and 100 if you're rounding to 100. But, so that means 50 rounded to the nearest 100 is 100. Let's say 20. 20, what is the benchmark number for 20 if you're rounding by hundreds? The benchmark number for 20 is 0 and 100. It's closer to 0. So 20 rounded to the nearest 100 is 0. Here are some questions to review. What is 389 rounded to the nearest 100? 389 rounded to the nearest 100 is 400. What is 914 rounded to the nearest 100? 914 rounded to the nearest 100 is 900. What is 565 rounded to the nearest 100? 565 rounded to the nearest 100 is 600. Thank you for watching and learning. For today, yes, I know it was the same for the last video, but that is because today I am rounding by 100. Thank you. Please write in the comment below if I did anything wrong so then I could correct myself. Thank you and have a nice day.